Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amma here. Welcome. So this is a beginner friendly brow tutorial. I asked on Instagram if anybody wanted to see how I feel in my brows, and a lot of people said yes. So yeah, keep watching. So I started off by filling my, sorry, not filling, brushing my brow hairs upwards, making that thing look nice and good. And then I took my Rimmel London brow pencil. I love this brow pencil. I used the shade black brown. Yeah, black brown. It can be compared with the MAC spiked brow pencil or something like that. I used to use that one, but when I discovered this one, I was like, I'm not wasting £15 on a brow pencil when I can get the same thing for about £3 something. So yeah, this one is bomb. I love it. So I outlined the bottom and the top part of my brow, and then I lightly filled the inner portion of my brow lightly, and then I dip in the outer corner of my brow so that to give it that nice gradient, thingy. So because the tail end of my brow is not, I don't really have enough hairs there, so I have to concentrate on that very well. But the inner portion, I leave it, nice, and you know what I mean. So yeah, I zoomed in a little bit for you guys to see. So we're going to draw the other one. I outlined the bottom of this one. I know people say your brows are not like sisters, or I'm sorry, they are not twins, but they're sisters. Anyway, whatever, I shall try to make them look good now. You don't want one going left, the other one going, please. So outline the bottom and then outline the top as well. As you can see, I'm focusing more on the tail end because that's where I need more brow, if that makes sense. Yeah. And I'm just checking to see how the other one looks and trying to make the one I'm drawing right now to look similar like the other one. Like I said, I lightly fill the inner portion and then I go deep on the outer corner, as you can see right now. That's what I'm doing. Okay. I decided not to fast forward so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay. Right now the brows are looking good to me. Yeah, they're looking good. So now we're going to clean them up. So I used my spoolie again to brush the brow hairs up, especially the inner corners of my brows, so that it's not looking too harsh or anything. So I just brush it up, making it look nice and seamless. You get the gist. And then I went back in with a pencil just to fill in any areas that I feel, you know, I'm not satisfied with, especially this particular brow. That one at the beginning of the brow is like it needs more something added to it. So yeah, that's why I'm just trying to make it look good. Yeah, this particular one, it's always giving me a headache, but trust me, it's gonna look good in the end. Brow looking on flick. Next, I went in with the Eyebrow Pro Concealer in Chestnut and Fawn. I don't like using Fawn alone. Anyway, it depends on the mood. But I don't like using Fawn alone because I don't like that harsh concealer thing under the brow. So I usually mix both of them to give myself the color I like. So I went in with a mixed concealer and cleaned the bottom of my brow to make it look nice and clean and Instagram worthy, you know. Okay. Ooh, those brows are looking good. So to make that brow look like the other one, I took only Chestnut this time. I think only Chestnut, Eyebrow Concealer in Chestnut, and I cleaned the top part of my brow because I don't like going with a lighter concealer. I've always said this. I don't like the halo thing, you know, and it's also easier to blend, you know, when by the time you apply your foundation and all that, it's easier to blend. So yeah, I used Chestnut to clean the top part of the brow to make it look good. Yes, everything is coming together. Come together right now over me. Next, I went in with a blending brush just to blend out the concealer, blend everything. And then I took the same blending brush to just touch up the inner corner of my brow so it's not harsh, like I said. And then I noticed that I still needed like a little bit more brow pencil there because the brow, my hairs there, they're kind of like, I don't know, it's not like the other one. See, the other one is snatched. So I have to make the other one look like the snatched brow. So I'm just touching up, you know, wherever I feel I need to draw or I need to add, I add. Yeah, see, looking good, isn't it? Looking good, honey. Looking oh. So with the same brush, not adding any other product, I just touch up the inner corners so that the hair is looking more natural, you know. And then I went back in with a pencil to just touch up that place a little bit, you know. Just do whatever you feel, you know, is good for you. As I'm doing what I feel is good for me. This is how I lay those brows, baby. You can even go in with like a brow gel or something to tame your brow hairs. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Here I did not, so oh well. So yeah, we've actually come to the end of this. I'm just doing all the touch-ups as I always do. But yeah, that is the end. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love my content that I put out on my channel, please let me know. Show some love, and I'll show some love. Peace, don't do now. The brow is fine. Leave it. Let it be. Hey, hey. Finally, good. Brow looking good, people. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. You can follow me on Instagram at amabeauty. You can subscribe to my channel, and yeah, love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.